Now let us see some problems based on sets and Venn diagrams. The first one is the number of non-empty subsets of a set containing 10 elements is. So what is number of subsets? Number of subsets is given by number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. Then what is number of non-empty subsets? We should subtract one element, which is a null set. So number of non-empty subsets is 2 power n minus 1. How many number of elements are there? 10 elements. It is 10 elements. So 2 power 10 minus 1. 2 power 10 is 1024 minus 1, which is equal to 1023 subsets. So next one. In a survey conducted among certain people, 60 take tea, 30 take only coffee. If 10 people take both, then how many were involved in the survey? So any problem in this topic can be solved using the Venn diagrams. So let us solve all the problems using only Venn diagrams. It will be easy for us to solve. So what is saying? The people who take tea is 60 and who take only coffee is 30. If 10 people take both tea, coffee, 10 people take both tea and coffee, then how many people were involved in the survey? If we draw the Venn diagram, 60 people take tea, 60, total 60, sorry, let me write it outside this box. 60 people take tea, 30 people take only coffee. What does it mean? This part is only coffee, this one. 30 people and 10 people take both. This is 10. So this will be inside, it will be 50 because 10 people take both. Then what is the total people involved in the survey? If this is universal set, this is tea, this is tea, this is coffee, and 50 people take only tea, 30 people take only coffee, 10 people take both tea and coffee, and all people take at least one of them. So the people who doesn't take anyone is 0. Then what we need to find? How many people are involved in the survey? So 50 plus 10 plus 10, 30, which is 90 people are involved in the survey. The answer is 90. Next one, the number of elements in P of 5 is. What is P of A? P of A is set of subsets of A. This is P of A. For example, A is a set having A is a set having elements A comma B, and B is a set having some elements A, B, C. Then what is P of A? P of A is equal to set of all subsets of A, which means A, B, and next one is AB, and another one is null set. This is what P of A means. Here what is there? First let us see P of phi. P of phi. It will be here A is equal to phi. Then it will be P of phi will be set of only phi. The next one is P of phi. P of phi. It will be, what is P of phi? This one. So here A will be P of phi, which is P of this one. Then it will be, this is one element, and the other element will be null set. And next one is P of P of phi. Then for this it will be P of phi be this one. So P of now it will be the single element, and another one is, sorry, this one is this, and for this it will be this, and for both it will be and the last one is normal null set. So how many elements are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there in this power set. So number of elements is 4. The answer is C, option C. Next one. In a college of 10,000 students, it was found that 40% students opt for electronics. Let me write here. There is branches, electronics, and 20% students opt for, 40% opt for electronics, and 20% students opt for communication. Next one is communication. How many students opt for communication? 20% students opt for communication. And the next one is 10% opt for computers. Computers. 10% student opt for computers. 5% student opt for both electronics and communication. 5%. And 3% students opt for communication and computers. This is 3%. And 4% opt for electronics and computers. Electronics and computers. What is this? 4%. This is 4%. And 2% of the students opt for all three. And 2% students offer all three. 2% off for all the three. So there are three questions based on this data. Find the number of students who opt only electronics. Find the number of students who don't opt for any of electronics, computers and communication. And this is the third one. Let us solve one by one. Find the number of students who opt only electronics. As I said, we need to solve the problems only using Venn diagrams. Let us plot the Venn diagrams first. Let me take the first one. Find the number of students who opt only electronics. This is U, and it is what it is. Total how many students are there? There are 10,000 students. And let me allot this with the alphabet. Let electronics be A, and communication is B, and computers be C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. This is A, which is electronics, B, which is communication, C, this is computers. So how many students are there here? What is 40% of 10,000? It is 4,000 students, and 20% is 2,000. 10% is 1,000 students, and here 4% means 400. 2% is 200, and next here 3% is 300. 5% is 500. So what it is? Electronics, the students who opt for electronics is 4,000. The students who opt for electronics is 4,000, and the students who opt for communication is 2,000. Communication is 2,000, and computers is 1,000. And who opt for both electronics and communication is 500. Electronics and communication is 500. This is 500. And who opt for electronics and communication is 500, and 3% opt for communication and computers, which means this one, this part. This part is 300, and 4% opt for electronics and computers. Electronics and computers is A and C. This is 400. 2% opt for all the three. This is 200. So we need to find number of students who opt only electronics. What is only electronics? This area is only electronics. So how do we find that? First we take total, this area, which is number of students in A. If we subtract this area, if we subtract this, we get n of minus n of A intersection B, and next if we subtract this, n of A intersection C, we get n of A, but this area is subtracted twice, because while we are subtracting A intersection B and A intersection C, this area got subtracted two times. So we need to add n of A intersection B intersection C, because this A intersection B intersection C got subtracted while subtracting this two. It got subtracted twice. So we are adding one A intersection B intersection C. So what is n of A? Total n of A is 4000 minus n of A intersection B is 500 minus n of A intersection C is 400 plus n of A intersection B is, this is 200 plus 200. So the answer will be 4000 plus 200. It is 4200 minus 900. It will be 3300. 3300 students opt for only electronics. So this is n of only A is equal to 3300. The answer is 3300. And the next question is, find the number of students who don't opt for any electronics, computers and communication. So what he is asking, so this is A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C. Total students are 10,000, and the students who opt for A are 4,000, and for B are 2,000, and for C are 1,000, and for A intersection B are 500, and for this it is 300, and for this it is 400, this one it is 200. So how many students have opted for all the branches? It is n of A union B union C. So by the formula we know n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C. So we get, what is n of A? It is 4000. What is n of B? It is 2000. And n of C, it is 1000 minus n of A intersection B, it is 500 minus n of A intersection C, it is 400, and plus it will be here n of A intersection B intersection C minus 400 minus B intersection C is 300, and plus n of A intersection B intersection C, it is 200. So if we calculate, we get n of A union B union C. So we get n of A union B union C is equal to 6000. So 6000 students opt for any of the branches. So how many number of students do not opt for any of the branches? U minus n of U minus n of A union B union C. So how many students are there? 10,000 students are there, minus 6,000 who opt for any of the branches. So there are 4,000 students who don't opt for any of the branches. So the answer is 4,000. Next one, find the number of students who opt for only communication. This is A, this is B, this is C. So how many students are there? U, which is 10,000 students. This is A, this is B, this is C. For A it is 4,000 students. Here it is 2,000. Here it is 1,000. And A intersection B is 500. A intersection C 400. And here it is 300. This is 500. This is 400. This is 300. This is 200. So what we need to find? Number of students who opt for only communication. What is communication? It is B. B is communication. So in order to find that, this is the area, right? This is the area we need to find. So what we are doing, we are taking the number of students who opt for communication. First we take that area. So n of only B is equal to n of B. Next we subtract this area. We subtract this area, which is n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection B, and we subtract this area also, which is n of B intersection C minus n of B intersection C. While subtracting these two, we are getting this A intersection B intersection C. We are subtracting 2 times while subtracting this. So we need to add 1 A intersection B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. So what will be the answer? What is n of B? It is 2000 minus what is n of A intersection B? It is 500, and n of B intersection C is 300, and plus n of A intersection B intersection C is 200. So what is the answer? This is 2200 minus 800. So the answer is 1400. 1400 is the answer. This is the answer. This is how we need to solve the problems based on sets and Venn diagrams. I'll also attach some other problems for practice in the description. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.